This conference will now be recorded.
Anybody having any doubt in the Photoshop last class? So all are did with the photo frame design. All are worked with the photo frame design, right? I'm seeing everybody's work. Yeah. Namita. Namita just added the gradient in the background. So you don't have much shapes, right, in your system, Shreya Agarwal? Shreya Agarwal is there in the class.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you don't have much shapes in your system. Vrushanki did nice, and Aditi added one photo, and Maria Joshit also added one photo, and Aishwarya added one single photo with the design and the background. Husna added three photos. Yes, Anusha added some photos with the gradient background. Okay, all you people have tried well. Okay, any assignment pending from you people? Please, everybody should check whatever the tools I have teach you people. Okay, you feeling any difficulties? You have to tell me. Clipnote stamp tool, pattern stamp tool, history brush tool, and eraser tool. Okay, you have to check with all the options. Blur tool, dodge tool, pen tool. Okay, so today class we will go to the pen tool. Okay, after this pen tool only we will go to the other assignments, poster designs and all. Okay, so pen tool is very difficult tool actually compared to all other tools. We have to use the pen tool. So using the pen tool, please write all these four options: pen tool, free form pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, convert point tool. Okay, these are the option, five options are there: pen tool, free form pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool. Okay, why we are using this pen tool? Okay, what is the uses of the pen tool? Mainly the pen tool is very important tool. Using this pen tool we can create the shapes. Whatever the shapes we want, we can create it like this only. We have to cut any shape. Okay, neatly we have to cut any object, any of the things. We have to, any of the photos we have to cut the shape of any of the designs. Okay, so we have to use the pen tool. What is the shortcut of the pen tool is P. Okay, we will go to this pen tool. So it is little difficult to use it. Okay, so we have to add the shape now. So what I will do, I will just take one point here. Okay, I'll just click one point here, and you should not leave the mouse, and you have to drag it. Okay, you have to drag it like this. You should not, I'm not leaving the mouse now. I'm pressing in the left key. I'm just pressing in the left key. Okay, first you have to keep one point here. First one point I will keep it here, and I'll keep one more point here. Okay, I'm not leaving the mouse. I will keep one point, and you should not leave. If you leave it means it will come as a straight line. You have to keep one point, and you have to make it like this. How much ever you want, you can make it like this. Select one point here and just make it like this. You can take any curve shapes. We have to create a curve shapes, so that time we have to use the pen tool. Okay, next select one more point here. I want the shape like this. Okay, so these are the points we are telling. Can you see here? are the points? We are telling anchor point. Everybody can see my screen, right? Anybody having facing any problem to see the screen? Yeah, everybody is joined now. Safiya, Shreya Agarwal, Maria, Joshita. I'm started with the pen tool. Okay, all are done a good work. Okay, so everybody can see my screen, right? I'll go to Photoshop. What you have to do? Control Z, Control Alt Z. What I will do? Please write it down all these options. Shortcut is P, pen tool, freeform pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool. Okay, these are the shapes we have to use it. Using the pen tool, we can create different shapes. First, we have to select one point here and again one point here. You have to should not leave the mouse. Left click, and you should not leave the mouse. And here we have to select one more point. Okay, we have to select one more point, and you have to make a design like however you want. You can take it. I'm just holding the left key. I'm not leaving the left key. Okay, you have to select it like this, and wherever I started I will come back. I'll come down. Okay, if I want till here. Okay, and I will select here, and where I started I will end there only. Where I have started I will end there only. Okay, now what happened? I had made a shape like this. I'll just go to Control Enter. Please write down the step. If you're not able to understand, please write down the step. Control Enter means now it is going to the selection tool. Okay, if I'll make it Control D, it will disappear. Okay, again I have to make the shape. I'll go to the pen tool. Again, any of the shape. I'll keep one point here and I'll keep one point here. See, I'll make it like this. Any of the points you can make it like this. However you want, you can add the shape. Otherwise, in between, I want the shape like this. So what you have to do, select one point here and you have to drag it like this. Okay, and select one more point and you have to drag it like this. Okay, you can add some more points like this. Suppose you want one more point near to this, you can add it like this. One more point like this, you can add it like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to where I have started the point. So I will end it here itself. That is a one finishing things. So where you started the curve, then only you can add the color for this curve. So where you have started, you have to end it there itself. I'm selecting like this, then Control Enter, whether it is selected or not. Okay, then I will go to the new layer. I will go to the new layer. Then I will go to the paint bucket tool. Now I have to add the color. So paint bucket tool, just add a color, whatever the colors you want, just add any of the color. Okay, so this color is added now. So what you have to do, Control D. Control D is for deselecting the things. So now Control D for deselecting the things. Okay, so you have to do the deselecting. So if you want to take the duplicate layer of this, you can take the duplicate layer here. Right click on this layer, you have to take the duplicate layer. Now what happened, two different layers are there because it is both are in the same color, so that's why you're not able to see it. Okay, I want to give different color for one more this thing layer what we have taken the duplicate copy. So you have to press Control and left click. Control D for deselect. Control left click. Then you can give the lighter color. Okay, whatever the colors we have to do, the lighter color we have to add. Now what happened, in the back side there's a dark blue is there. So what I will do, I will bring it down in the layer one. It will come like this. So if you make Control T, and how much ever you want, you can increase and you can decrease the like this. You can increase and you can decrease the thing like this. Okay, I will just delete this layer. I'll come back once again. I'll show you people with the many shapes. Pen tool is little different, difficult compared to all other tools. Okay, I will go to this pen tool. Now I want a shape like this. I'll select one point here. You should not leave the mouse. If you leave the mouse means, see, I left the mouse and the line will be, it's a straight line. Okay, should not leave the mouse. You have to select one point here and you have to add the curve. You can move it however you want. You can move it the shapes. Okay, however you want, you can add the shapes. And see, how much ever you want, you can select one more point. Now what is the problem is, so wherever you want, you can select like this. It should not come inside. If it is coming like inside like this, however you want, it is not possible. It will not come with a good shape with a good color. Okay, see, I will take it outside. Outside, if we'll take it outside, it will not visible in the screen. Okay, so however you taking the outside, whatever the things you are taking, which is not visible, only how much ever you are adding the color in the work area, that is not only visible. Okay, work area, how much it is possible, only that much thing only visible. Now what I'm doing, control enter. See, control enter I'm doing, only it will take color for this much area, only it will take the color. So I have to go to the different layer. Don't use the background layer only, because we want everything should be separated. So then only it is possible to create a design. We can change the color, we can give the gradient color, whatever the colors we can do it. Okay, with the different layer. So we have to use always different layer. Okay, so you can go to this paint bucket tool and here we have to select the color. See, whatever the colors we want, we have to select the color. And I'll just give the paint bucket to. Okay, control D, deselecting the things. Okay, I will take the duplicate copy of this. Where it is now? It is here. Control Z. I'll take the duplicate copy of this and control. In that only you have to select it, means what you have to do, control and left click. Then it will go to select. Okay, whatever the shapes you have added here, so those shapes and all we have to select it, means if we double click on this, it will not select. See, it is coming blending shapes, layer style. So you have to control T. If I'll do control T, it will say select the shapes, but you cannot add the color, right? You have to know the shortcut for this, control and left click. Okay, control and left click, then only it is possible. So then I will go to the color, lighter color. Then I will go to paint bucket tool and I will add the color. Okay, if you want to do front or back like this, you can do the color combinations, you can make it. Okay, for this only I have to add one more shape, means what I will do, I will take a new layer. Starting only I will take a new layer. I will go to this pen tool, then I will add one more shape like this. I'll go to here, I'll just add one more point like this. I'll add it. I'll add a point like this. Control Z. So zoom it and I will add the point like this. So now outside, no need to worry about the whatever the things are happening this outside this work area. Just you have to, where you started, only that point only you have to end it. Okay. So what I'll do, control enter. Then again I will go to this paint bucket tool and take whatever the colors you want. Go to paint bucket tool. I'll add the color. Control D. So I will take, I'll bring it down. All these things I will bring it down. See what happened? Like this shape you will get it. So I will take the duplicate copy of this, duplicate layer. I'll take the duplicate copy of this. Control T and you can take it little up. How we will get to know? If we'll add different color. So what I will do, I will select this control and left click. You should remember, please, anybody unable to clear my voice, otherwise anybody, it is control C, control T. Okay, T, that option you have to do. Control T for scaling. Okay, control T for scaling. Okay, control left click for selecting. Control left click for selecting. Control D, control D, daddy D. So that is for deselect. Control D for deselect. Control left click now I'm using. So I will go to this color and I'm using different color. Just move the layer like this. It will come like this. So how much ever you want, you will get the shape like this. So you don't want till up here means you can bring it down like this. See that down. You want this color means you can add the things like this. Okay. Anybody having any doubt about this pen tool? Fatima, Husna, you can try this option. Is that possible?
Yes, ma'am.
You can do it right, Husna.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharoon, who are joined late, like Rushanki, Safia, Shreya Agarwal, you people are understood?
Yes, ma'am.
How you people are doing with the polygonal tool? The same thing only, but here we can do the different shapes and we can cut the images also using the pen tool. Okay. Next, I'll just hide these options. Okay. Next, again, I will go to this tool. I will add the shape again. Now, what is the problem is, if I select this one, I will add this one point like this. Now I will add these are the connectors. We can do the changes with connectors. This is, we are telling anchor points. Okay. Two, this thing, antennas is there. So this is the things we are telling anchor points. Okay. I will select like this. Okay, now I want to modify the shape. Now I want to modify the shape. So what I have to do, I will go to this pen tool. There is an option here, convert point tool. Okay, so we have different options are there: add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool. Okay, I'll come back from pen tool to, I'm coming down here, convert point tool. If I select here convert point tool, if you select only the convert point tool, then only you can see these antennas. See here, look at here, convert point tool. So using this you can make the designs like this however you want. Wherever the points you want, you can add the you can do the changes like this. Okay, so suppose I want some points here, I want extra points here. Now I don't have extra points here. So what I have to do, I have to go to here. There is an option called add anchor point tool and delete anchor point tool. Add anchor point tool and delete anchor point tool. I will select this add anchor point tool. So add anchor point tool, mainly we have to add any extra points. Now I have only 3 points, 1, 2 and 3 points are there. So I need to add some more points for this. So what I will do, I'll go to, see here, look at here, when you will take it to the curve, there is an option called add anchor points. Okay, and the delete anchor points. Yeah, I will click on here, click here, and wherever you want you can select it like this. So you will get the add anchor points. You will get some more anchor. Wherever you want, I can add it, no problem. Wherever it is necessary, you should add there only. So now I want to do the changes means, see here. This also you can use it, otherwise you can use the convert point tool. Convert point tool, you can do multiple changes. See, if the points are there, then only it is possible to do the changes. like this. However you want, you can do the changes. Okay, like this. Control enter and take a new layer and add the color. Okay, after adding the color also we want to do some changes. So that time, let us see whether it's possible or not. I'll go to convert point tool. No, it is not possible. Okay, before adding the color itself, we have to do this. Okay, see, it is showing control and left click, it is showing the selected area, but it is not showing the anchor points and all. Okay, yeah. See, if you go to here, it is not showing that anything. Okay, I'll take a new layer. Again, I will go to pen tool. I'll add the shapes. See, however I want, I will add the shape. See, I can add the shape like this. This. See, how much ever you want. I want the shape like this. If you want very near points, means, see, I'll add the shape like this. So I want a small curves like this. So that time you can add near points only. And see here, near points only you can add the curves. How much ever area you want, you can add those curves. Okay, now what I have to do, where I have started, from the back side only I should go. I cannot go from the front. Okay, oh, now that much, what happened now, only this much area only it will get select. So this is become outside now. Okay, so this is become, the color will take only for this, color will not take in the left side. Okay, okay, now what happened, again you can start it from here itself. So only this much area is my priority, means you have to add this much area only. Control enter, and for this you can add the gradient tool also. So what I will do, I will go to this paint bucket only, we have this gradient tool. I'll add whatever the gradients you want. Okay, just go to this gradient tool. I'll just add the gradient tool like this, how much ever you want. See, wherever you want you can add the gradient. So it will take according to the shape. See, any shapes you can take it. You can add the gradient. How much ever you want, you can add the gradient. Okay. Only selected area only it will take the gradient. Only selected. How much ever area you selected, only that much area only it will select now. Okay. So you can add the picture for this. I will take any of the pictures. Just close the file. Control T. I'll just increase the size of the picture. I'll send it back. So whoever not done yesterday's the shaping and all, you people are not happy with the framework, you can try to create like this also. Okay. Now I'll go to again one more shape. I will take a new layer again. Okay, from wherever you want you can add the shapes here. See, I'm selecting only this area only I want the color. So now what happened, see, now I have to add the points here now. So what I will do, I'll go to here, add anchor point tool. So I'm adding here wherever I want, I'm adding this point, add anchor point tool. So I'm adding too many anchor points. Okay. So I'm adding too many anchor points. So if you do selection like this, if you go to the other layer, it will not show. So here what happened? And again, I don't want this anchor points, means you can go to the delete anchor point tool. If you'll go to this add anchor point tool, means you can add multiple number of anchor points. Anchor points means this is the curve shapes, and we are adding for joining one point to another points, we are adding anchor points. So now I want to use this delete anchor point tool. So delete anchor point tool. So delete anchor point tool, how much ever points you want, you can delete it. Okay. Suppose you want to add again, means you can go to this add anchor point tool. Okay. Using this, you can add the curve shapes. Okay. You can make the curve shapes, and look at here. This antenna, you can select it. You can make it top and bottom. Like this, you can do the shapes. Okay. Now control enter. I will add the color for this. I have taken already new layer. Again, yeah, color. I will take the color. Any of the colors you want, you can add the colors. See how much ever bright you want, how much ever dark you want. So from where you have to do the dark and bright. Control D. Okay. But you can add the colors anytime. See, brighter to darker, darker to brighter. Okay. No, it is not selecting. So I'm planning to select with this tool. We'll come back for this tool. So here again, convert point tool, anything is not, you're not able to see the any of the shapes. Okay. Anybody having any doubt about this tool? Anybody having any doubt? Maria Joshita, tell me how to add the anchor points. Maria Joshita, can you tell me? Shreya Agarwal, how to add anchor points?
Ma'am, anchor points are like the extra points wherever you want to add it.
Okay.
Yeah, so suppose
Can
if
I
you're
add it on the images?
no, ma'am. So the pen tool, when you're using the pen tool, and if you want to modify it and to give a even more curves, you can actually add
Hmm.
the anchor point tool to give an
Okay.
extra points
Okay.
to create the shape.
Aishwarya, yeah, fine. Aishwarya, to modification of the anchor points, what tool we are using?
Pen tool, ma'am.
Yeah, that is pen tool, just adding the shapes. To modification of the anchor points, what kind of tool we have to use it, Aishwarya? To modification of the anchor points,
Add anchor point tool.
add anchor point is for adding the points, adding a points for the shapes, what we are creating with the pen tool. To modify the anchor points, what tool we have to use? Ume, anybody? Husna, to modification, Fatima.
Ma'am, is it a convert point tool?
Yes, it is convert point tool only. So because of the convert point tool, we can do the changes. Okay, we can do the changes with the convert point tool. So convert point tool is there. So using that tool only, you have to use it always. Okay. So you cannot use add anchor points tool, delete anchor points tool. You cannot use any of the things. You have to use the convert point tool only. Okay. Anybody having any doubt with this? Now, See, magic eraser tool, we can use it for this. Any of the image, okay, we are not able to use the magic eraser tools. For this, we can easily remove with the magic eraser tool. But what is the situation? Somewhere here it is not possible, correct? Magic eraser tool, it is not possible here. So we have to use the polygonal lasso tool. Okay, polygonal lasso tool also, if you select it like this, see, I'm selecting like this, I'm selecting like this, I'm selecting here. What about the curve here? See, I'm having the curve shape here. I want the same shape, like how the tiger having the shape. Look at the curve shape, and look at the ear, which is having the curve shape, right? So, what tool? I cannot use the polygonal lasso tool. See, polygonal lasso tool only for the straight. See here, straight lines, which is there. You're not able to see like which is a straight. All are looking like straight line only. So any of the emergency work means okay, but this is not the correct method. So polygonal lasso tool, you cannot use it for everywhere. Okay, see, still you are seeing that. If I'll unlock this and I will delete it, see what happened. This shapes and all become straight. Okay, Control D. Okay, so this time we have to see, look at these curve shapes. So we have to use the pen tool. Okay, so what I will do with the same layer, now I have to cut it very neatly. So I will go to this pen tool, I will zoom it, and I will select one point here. See, wherever you have to start from, select one point here, select one more point, little bit in, see, left click. And now what happened, what is the situation is, if I select it like this, can you see the curve shape? Yeah, it is not coming properly. So you have to use alt and left click. Alt left click, why you have to use? We have to cut this shape. Okay, we have to cut it. Now one side anchor point is removed. Alt and left click is cutted now. Now I will do it for the other thing. Okay, so if the work is very important and any celebrity's photo, so that time what you have to do, you have to give more importance for that, each and everything, edges, everything, it should be more important. See, I'm just selecting like this. One second. Okay, so I will select this points. See, wherever you want. See, alt and left click, please write it down. This option you're not able to understand means, see, now here one point I have put it here and one points here. Okay, I can give wherever I want. I will select this one and look at here, I'm completely bending. So I want this shape. Otherwise you can add near to this only, you can add one shape there. Okay, you have to take it little inside. See, I'm taking little inside, and because I don't want this blur kind of things are there in the outside, so those I don't want. So what I'll do, first what you people have to do, you have to try to create the shapes what I have teached in the starting. Okay, so those shapes you have to create it immediately. Don't go for the images you're not able to understand. See, wherever necessary you have to give alt and left click. See, wherever the curve is there, so there you have to give the alt and left click. You can see this kind of work using the pen tool. Anybody having any guesses? Everybody watching every day. You can see this pen tool using, and they're creating some background. They're making the image bright. So where we can see Amazon, Myntra, any of the website, Flipkart, there, see, you can see the product design, correct? Product designs and all, you can see it. They will cut the image and they will make the image brighter, and by the time only you can buy the product. If the image is dull, you cannot do the buying the products. So digital products. So digital products, you need a digital image. Okay, so we we are doing 100 image, 200 images, like that, who are working for Amazon, Flipkart and all. So they have to do it 500 images, 1000 images per day using the pen tool. Okay, like this. See, so left click. See, now the point has not come proper. So select this point here and left click, and okay, so like this you have to do the design. Don't use the same polygon tool, and don't tell me that, ma'am, I did my job, I did my work. So everybody should work with the pen tool, because images and all I'm not able to find it, but you have to see. Now this is the small things, that is, you just roughly you have to make this arrangement. See, small these things and all. Mustaches, this is the thing. Just click, just click on this, and just click on this point, click on this point. See the anchor points. Again, if you want to go to the convert point tool, you can do the changes later. You can do the changes again. You can come back to the pen tool where you have stopped here. Now I'll select this one and select, and this is the final part of the Photoshop. Another 4-5 classes is there. Okay, so this is the final things. You don't have any selection tools will not come next. Only this is the only difficult things will be there. Other things are all easy. Okay, see, this is the final thing. See, whatever the shapes you want. See, look at here. The shape little difficult I feel, but try. You have to try yourself. All this thing. So where you have started, see the curve shapes. If you learn this tool, so any software, see, pen tool is common in all the softwares. If you'll go to the next software, any Corel Draw, any of the software, if you'll do, see, I have started here, I will end it here. See, still I'm not stopped it, so I will just take the curve shapes. Okay, control enter. See, before control enter, I'll just control Z. See, now I have the lines here, correct? Now I have the lines. Still I'm having some doubt. I want to modify somewhere. Okay. So I'll go to this convert point tool. So I'll go to the convert point tool. Just zoom it. How much ever you points and all you added. Just if you want to do any modifications, you can do it. Okay. Any modifications, you can do it here. any modifications. Whoever did some of the images, afterwards they are facing the problem, so no need to do it from the starting. You can do this modification here only. So now I have to add the points here, means you can go to the add anchor point tool. So okay, you have to go to here, add anchor point tool. I will select this one, I'm adding the point here, and I will go to the convert point tool. So you can select this convert point tool. You can select the convert point tool. So wherever you want to add some points, you can add it. Any modifications, you can go to convert point tool. Okay, you can just okay. Any modifications, you can do it here. I'll go to control enter now. Okay, control enter. So now this area is selected properly. So wherever you want, you can move this layer. Okay, suppose in this file only you have to add it to different layer, means you have to press Ctrl J. It will come in a different layer. Otherwise, everybody know copy paste Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So automatically it will come. Okay, see the background is removed now. Okay, for this thing you can use the magic eraser tool. For this you can use the magic eraser tool. Select the layer and use the magic eraser tool. Okay, for everything you can use the magic eraser tool. If the background having single color, so you can use the magic eraser tool. Otherwise you have to go to the pen tool and polygonal lasso tool. Okay, both the options you have to try. Now what I will do, I will go to the new layer, take the new image. So I'll just do some collage work. I select this one and I'll just drag and drop it to here. Okay, see wherever you want the curve shapes, zoom it and check. See here, everywhere the curve shapes, see which are maintained, curve shapes and all. Okay, I'll just drag and drop it to the new layer. Okay, anybody having any doubt using pen tool? Sharun? To add anchor point tool, so which tool we have to use to add anchor points? So which
Add
options we
anchor
have to
point tool.
use?
Add
Safiya,
anchor
tell
point
me.
tool.
Okay, add anchor point tool. Any modifications we have to do with the pen tool? Which option we have to use? Prashanki?
Convert point to.
Yeah, convert point tool. So it is easy. Once you people will start, it is easy. So why I have started with this tiger picture, means which is having the white background. So no need to try with the white background. So which kind of images you have to take? Suppose this image. Okay, so if I use the magic eraser tool for this, look at here, what is the problem? So you have to use multiple tools for this. Okay, so this time you have to go to the pen tool and select it from where, somewhere, wherever you want. See, selected this image neatly from here and see here. See, now the point is not come. Then press Alt and see. you have to cover only this part. So that time neatly you have to do the curve shapes. So that time you have to use the pen tool. See, alt. So once you'll practice for, see, now this much area is not necessary. Okay, this is the outside part only. Wherever, how much ever I want, I will take. See the detailing things when you have to do the detailing work. Okay, you can see the works in the Amazon and Flipkart, whatever the product designs we are doing now. So those designs you can see it. So they will do with this tool only. Okay, control and see here. Suppose you want to do any changes, control and you can select it like this. Otherwise, you can go to the mod convert point tool and you can do the modification. See how much ever you want, you can do the modification. See, now it has become completely straight. So what I have to do, I have to add the add anchor point tool. So I will add 3 add anchor points tool. Then I will go to the convert point tool. See, now what happened? It is not coming proper. So I'll press control and I just move it little up. Control and left click and I'll move it little up. Anybody who want to see some more time the videos and all, you can watch it and you can understand. Like if you watch the 2-3 time videos, you'll understand it. Okay, so little difficult tool. Okay, so now this select only this much area only it is selected. So I'll just control C and control V, just copy and paste it and remove this one. So how neatly it is selected now. See this dupatta area, everything, the finger area, see how neatly it is selected, everything is. Now whatever the options you want for the background, gradient, take a new layer and just add the gradient. Okay, over. See, now you cannot see any sharp edges or any of the extra things which is not there. Okay, so any white backgrounds, any extra backgrounds will not be there. Okay, so this kind of tool we have to use it for the any dark color background. See some of the, yeah, this kind of design, see, which is having the dark color background. So now we have to remove the background separately. See now this kind of image, see. So how difficult it is. If I use the magic eraser tool, it will not go. See, this is so important option. See here, everything it is cutting. So polygonal tool, if you use it, then you don't get the curve shapes. See, wherever you have this curve shapes, those things you don't get it. Okay, so it is difficult. Some of this kind of work you have to learn the pen tool. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Sharun Celesta, anybody having any Fatima, Husna,
Mm. Ma'am, no doubts.
TJ Kulsum?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya Agarwal, you can do it, try Shreya. Aditi, Kulsum, Umehani, Maria Joshita, Safia.
No doubt, ma'am.
Anybody having any
No
doubt?
doubts.
Is it
No
easy? This
doubt,
tool you
ma'am.
people can do? Is it easy? This tool is easy. You can do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you people got it right. Mainly why we are using this tool. Some of the curve shapes. Okay, we have to separate it. So that time we have to use this tool. Okay, I'll show with the different this thing. So you people, what you people have to do, you have to uh, just practice, like just practice. I don't want any assignment, just practice it. Next class, tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow class I will give the assignment. Okay, we will create some design. Okay, what you have to do, you have to practice to remove the background. Like you have to take any of the images, don't take which is having the white background. Okay, take any of the images which is having the dark color. Okay, any of the images you can take it with the curve shapes. So those things you have to remove it. See, before and after, see, we have to select it, then only it is possible. Okay, any of the background we have to see this kind of car. Okay, otherwise this image we have to select neatly her only. It is not possible with the polygonal tool. Okay, we have to use the pen tool. Otherwise we can draw the shape on this image only. We can draw whatever the shape I have teach you people. So pen tool, I will draw the shape like this. I'll select it like this. I'll take a new layer and I'll just draw the shape like this. I'm just drawing the shape like this. Control enter. Okay, this much area I have added the shape like this. This gradient tool, just add the color. Okay, so what you people have to do, you have to just create the shape only, don't take any images, nothing in the beginning. What you have to do, you have to take a new file, new fresh file, international paper file, A4 size. Okay, just take any of the this thing, go to the pen tool and add the shapes in one layer. See, I'll go to the new layer and add the shapes like this. See, add the shape like this, add the shape like this. Okay, from the outside, wherever you selected, from there, see, control enter, and I'll just give the color, whatever the colors gradient, you can give the color, whatever the colors you want, you can add it like this and just hide it. Then go to the new layer and again create one more shape like this, like this, like this. See where you selected, control enter, go to the new layer and take a different gradient. Okay, you can use the gradient also with this, whoever not used till now. See, whoever joined class before class who are not attending. Okay, so those people select the gradient and do it like this. See, this is a different design. Okay, again take a new layer, go to the pen tool and add a design like this. Okay, and add a color for this. Two colors, two, three lines you can add it. Okay, for the shapes you can add multiple things. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Okay, so like that you have to create a different shapes. Okay, images and all you can do it later also. You can try with the different shapes, and you have to try the anchor point tool also. See, whatever the options you are using, add anchor points, delete anchor points, everything you have to use it. For this only we have to add the anchor point, means you have to click on this shape. Okay, can do the add anchor points and delete anchor points. Anybody having any doubt? And you have to save the file. Next class we will take a different image. Otherwise we will create an advertisement designs. We will take the product, different products we will take and we'll create an advertisement design. Okay, using the pen tool or any other shapes. Okay, anybody having any doubt?